Yo, what's up guys? We're back again on Adopt Me. So, guess what pet are we gonna do today? Yep, you saw the title. It's a neon poodle. So, let's make it right now. So, I'm gonna put the first one. I actually did the hard work for this. And yeah, my friend helped me. Next is Coco. I think I don't know what it's gonna be look like, but I hope it's good. Next is Poodle. Oh my god. And the last one is Poodle again. Oh my god, oh my god. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Where is it? Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful. I finally made another neon. So the next I'm gonna make is a mega neon. Yep, you guessed it right. Mega neon Velociraptor. So I'm gonna give you like some story about what I'm doing in Adopt Me. So first thing, I'm grinding up to get my favorite pet. One of my favorite is Arctic reindeer. I think, yeah. Or if you have neon Arctic reindeer, much better. That's my dream pet. The next dream pet I want is a mega neon fly ride chocolate bat dragon. Yeah, it's hard to earn that dream pet. That's why I'm grinding a lot and buying a lot of pets and grinding a lot of box, yeah, money, and grinding a lot of H pot like that. That's my, yeah, that's what I'm doing for today. I didn't upload, I think yesterday, or I upload yesterday. I don't know now. I don't remember. But I think I can upload all day if I just know what content I'm gonna make. Because for us, the school is over. Yeah, it's vacation. We have a vacation, and yeah, now me and my friend can play together. My friend is grinding for a crow. He's 60% almost for the crow. I hope he reached the goal, but I think he's gonna reach it before me, and I'm so happy for him. He's helping me find a rideable potion for my Mega Neon Brachiosaurus. Yeah. If you're wondering how did I get this cat, my friend gave it to me for free, and the pet name is Womp Womp. Yeah, Womp Womp. I like the name, but yeah. What? There's an alien. Yo, who's? Yo, what? Jump! Dang! Little pony can jump big. Let me try mine. Tricks. Oh, there's no tricks. Whoopsie, womp womp. I'm just grinding for box for the next egg, I think. I think there's still no egg incoming, but I'm grinding for the alien egg. Because I think it's coming up soon because the Adopt Me posts news about make an art drawing contest. I think they have to draw a pet that they in in mind, and I think Adopt Me will put it in game, and they're gonna make an egg too. But the thing I like the egg is I want it to be like a normal egg, then there's like a circle of green thingy. But yeah, I hope Adopt Me will do that. But I don't think there's a lot of people they can win. And yo, Megan Leon. Oh, bro, he already got the Mega Neon Ghost. That's what he wants. And he got it. Uh-huh. Let's trade her. Oh, she left. Let's see. Oh, no profile. Only want. Only have. Nothing. A lot of wants. Yeah, that's what I think. And what? He has no profile. No profile. No profile, guys. Yo, what? Oh, he likes the she likes the Mega Crow. She have a neon, neon unicorn. She has a neon fly rideable unicorn. Fly and rideable unicorn? Man, oh, she has fly potion. Yo, what is that over there? Yo, okay, my pet is sick. Let's go to the, I don't know. Let's just go to let's go to the, what is it called again? Hospital? No, it's a nursery. No, it's an hospital. Doctor, help me, help me. Doctor. Oh, it's that girl again. Tiki. Okay. Okay. So I'm hungry. My pet is hungry. And thirsty. Pit pet. Pit pet. Just eat and drink it all. Ooh, goop, 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 goop. Ooh, what is this? Dude, what is this? Bro, what is this? This is just, what the heck? What the heck? Okay, I wanna sit here. Wait. Okay. Huh? What is this girl doing? Girl didn't. What the heck? The heck? Let's jump. 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 Okay, let's go. I really like that dragon over there. Oh my god. Why is there big people? Oh. Ah. What? There's a big pet. Oh my god. Oh, a turtle. One of my favorite is a turtle, yeah. But that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you want more videos like this, just subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!